Spice Girls.
Gonna try out some Adams polishes. As you can see, his car is super dirty. That long California road trip, just yeah, you can still see some of California on his car still. Look at that. See if I can get you a better angle. Look at all this dirt. Yeah,
So dirty. So
we're gonna help you out today.
Yeah.
Actually, Adams is gonna help you out today.
Thanks,
Get
Adams.
this thing clean.
Really appreciate it. So we're adding 100 milliliters of the Ultra Foam shampoo. Warm water to fill it up, and that should last at least one car.
Yeah.
So next we're gonna fill this up with warm water, and the way we're gonna do it is we got a bucket full right here, and we're just gonna dip it in the bucket. That way we prevent it from foaming up. That's hot. It's all filled up. Shaking it up a little bit so that way you get all the soap that was on the bottom evenly mixed throughout. Next we got the car shampoo. Oh yeah, this is the strawberry cheesecake ice cream replica wash mitt.
Yeah, it looks like it. Reminds me of it. So we're just gonna add a little bit of car shampoo to the actual foam or car wash mitt itself. And then we're gonna foam it up inside the bucket with the pressure washer.
We are going to start with the wheels first, as you should do. And we have our 3-bucket method that we got going on here. We got our soapy, clean bucket. Then we got our rinse bucket, so you rinse off all your dirt in here. And then we got our wheel bucket because, well, the wheels are worse than everywhere else on the car. So first off, we're going to spray the wheel off, all the loose dirt and whatnot. And then we'll be applying the wheel cleaner and then actually cleaning the wheel. I believe this will clean off your tire letters as well. We'll see. Let's spray on it.
Remember, a little bit goes a long way with this stuff.
Yeah.
It's really concentrated. There it is, all nice and clean, as you can see. And in comparison, here's the dirty wheel. And back to the clean wheel.
We're going to be using the 2 buckets here. We got our nice clean foamy water here, and we're going to be working one panel at a time, top to bottom, of course, with our strawberry cheesecake foam pad.
That's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks like the ice cream.
Yep. And then just going one panel at a time. She's super dirty, so you gotta keep rinsing it off, get that dirt off, rinse it off. Nice and warm. We got a little dirt guard on the bottom, scrape it up against that, get all the dirt off of it. There we go. Dip back in this one, get some suds on it, and rinse and repeat, right? Always do top to bottom.
Straight line motions, of course.
Go wet.
Alright guys, we just washed off the car and we're going to try out some of the Adams H2O Garden Gloss, and we're going to put it up against another product that does something very similar. So we got the Adams gray, I think it's the edgeless towel that they provided, and we're just going to put this on. So directions say to, on the wet application, wash vehicle thoroughly, we already did that. We're going to mist the panel to be treated, and then use a second borderless gray towel to wipe off the residue. So yeah, let's just do that. So that's that's the H2O Garden Gloss. Really easy application. Probably one of the easiest sealants that you can use on your car. Dry application or wet application, whichever guys you wanna, whichever you prefer. So let's get out another product. All right, next up, which a lot of people use, you've probably seen this on the market right now, is their Gyeon wet coat. So once your car is wet, after you've washed your car and everything, all you gotta do is spray this on and hose it off with a high pressure rinse. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna see which one works better. As you can see, there's pretty much no beading action on the car right now. So, and with this stuff, a little bit goes a long way. All right. I don't know if you guys are able to see a difference, but all right, guys, which one beads better? The Adams or the Gyeon? Get you a closer look.
I'm thinking the Adams.
So this one beads up, and then you have this one.
That's just gone.
That one's gone. Side by side comparison. This is the Gyeon wet coat, and this is the H2O Garden Gloss. Pretty big difference.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that.
I don't know if you'll see on camera. Oh well, that's what it is. Just a quick experiment.
Clean out the inside now.
Start
Yeah, oil change. The key's right here.
Casey with the jams again.